Goes. Whoa. Wow, guys. What's up, guys? This is your boy Akram Ali, and you are watching Tech for Test. So, Realme has sent me this amazing entry level device, which is C12. They wanted me to look it out for durability tests. So, today we're going to perform a water test on this device to see if this device is durable enough or not. Its price in Pakistan is 22,000 rupees, while its price in India is 9,000 rupees. So let's go do a quick unboxing and then we're gonna move to the water test. Make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that red button and press the bell icon. Alright guys, so before starting the water test, I gotta do a quick unboxing because Realme Pakistan has sent me the brand new device. So let's see, let's have a quick look rather at what's inside the box. So the color they have given me is marine blue, and we do have a good packaging here. And we do have a box which says, hey, welcome to the real family. It has some paperwork, and this is the device along with a standard USB cable and 10-watt charger. So this device has 6,000 milliamperes battery. That means you are getting a good amount of battery. All right, so this is the device. I'm gonna leave the charging cable here. All right, so let's get it out first. Quickly. Oh, it's stuck. All right guys, so this is 2-3 tone marine blue color with a polycarbonate back and a camera bump with the triple camera setup. This is a 13 megapixel camera setup with a flashlight. We do have 5 megapixel right in front of us. We do have a 6.5 inches 720p IPS LCD. We do have MediaTek Helio G35. This is a 3GB 32GB variant, and like I said, its price in India is 9,000 rupees and its price in Pakistan is 22,000 rupees. So let's turn it on, set it up, and put it in the water for a minute or for 90 seconds. So I'm gonna run a time lapse, by the way. Alright guys, so phone is all set up and this device screen is quite good enough. I'm surprised with the colors and the brightness. It's quite a good device in Indian 9,000 rupees and 22,000 rupees in Pakistan. So the device looks quite good. It's all brand new. I really don't want to put it inside the water, but I'm going to do it right now. So I'm gonna put my timer over here and I'm gonna test it for like 60 to 90 seconds. Let me just find that it's all symmetrical. Yes. All right guys, so first of all, what I'll do is I'll do the screen activity time thing. Okay, so it's set to 30 minutes. All right guys, so this is device all good, all brand new, and it's going inside the water. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel because okay, so I'm gonna start the timer and there it goes. Whoa, wow guys. Whoa, it's on my other mobile as well, but not a big deal. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put it inside the water. So everything is watery, but make sure you do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. It's Akram Ali 1, my Insta handle. So we'll leave it till the 1 minute mark and see how it survives. I'm gonna test the sound, the camera, and the touch panel of this device. So besides, this is an educational video just to check the durability of the devices in this price range. Please do not try this at home. So 1 minute mark. Whoa, where did my watch go? All right. Oh, this is disappointing. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it at 1 minute and 8 seconds, and I'm gonna get the device out, and there is a lot of water inside it. All right, guys, so it's all watery, but surprisingly and shockingly, it is working. And all right, let me just clean my hands first, and then I'm gonna show you what's going on. All right, guys, if we talk about the touch, it's working totally fine. There is no problem at all with the device. It got no headphone jack icon. Usually when water goes inside this, there is a headphone jack icon, but it's totally fine right now. If we talk about the camera, then the camera is working good. So the device has 13 megapixel camera plus 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel. That makes it a triple camera setup along with a flashlight. All right, so cameras are working good. For your convenience, I'm gonna take a selfie. I look good, don't you think so? All right, guys, so this is also looking quite good. So let's come and let's all right, let's check the all right, this is funny. Let's check the sound test. Okay, so buttons are working fine. Okay, so ringtone. Wow, guys, wow, literally it's working. And it's wow, this is good, this is great. A 9,000 rupees device is performing great in terms of durability test. So definitely this device has, okay, let me check the fingerprint. Okay, so all right, so everything is fine, guys. I mean, even the face unlock is working. So this is a must-have device when it comes to durability and an entry-level smartphone. I'm really surprised, I'm really shocked. Everything was right in front of you guys, but I'm gonna still tell you, please do not try this at home. So thank you so much for watching this video. A sub to the channel would be amazing, and make sure you do take care of yourself. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.